It's a very good morning. We did see quite a bit of rainfall just during the overnight in a few spots, especially east of the city, where we had about half an inch to 3/4 of an inch in some areas, and had about 1/4 of an inch with some thunderstorms moving through yesterday evening across 75 in parts of North Georgia. We're going to get some big-time thunderstorms moving through today to start the week. Between 8 and 9 o'clock, we'll start to see those thunderstorms moving through. Right now, no problems outside, 60 degrees. Latest pollen count that we have is as of Friday morning, so hopefully the rain that we had last night, the rain that we're going to get today, will knock a lot of that out of the air. 75 degrees for our high today, but big deal is going to be the possibility of storms, some of those becoming severe. So 60 degrees today right now in Chattanooga, 63 in Cleveland, and our potential for severe weather, let's break it down. All of this yellow indicates a slight risk of severe storms, and even lower risk, the dark green, and then this lighter green is just general thunderstorms. So we're going to stay on the lower end of the severe weather risk scale, but there are some risks that we need to go through. The biggest chance of severe weather will be Chattanooga and eastward. The biggest threats with severe weather will be damaging winds, 15% risk of damaging winds, also a 15% risk of hail, and the tornado risk very, very low, but I cannot completely rule out 1 or 2 isolated tornadoes as we move through the morning, and then again for the commute home this afternoon and this evening. This is what it looks like on VIPIRCAST. We'll start with the radar imagery. The thunderstorms to the west, and there are thunderstorms embedded in here. Nothing severe yet, but as we move through the day, we're going to see those storms beginning to move eastward. Again, this is 8:30, and you can see it approaching and moving over the Cumberland Plateau. And then as we progress through the morning, this is 10:30, a line of strong storms moving through the Sequatchie Valley toward Chattanooga. We continue to lunch hour, scattered storms popping up through your lunch hour. Now, it will be during the afternoon. Maybe we get a little bit of a break, so we're going to have this round moving through during the morning hours, maybe a little bit of a break for most folks. Even with this break, though, you can still see these spotty thunderstorms popping up in some of the outlying areas. But take a look at what's taking aim on the Tennessee Valley for the commute home. This is about 4 o'clock. Take a look. Here's 5 o'clock, and as we move on through the evening, this is 6 o'clock. We're going to have that line of storms moving through between 5, 6 o'clock, but some of the heavy rain could linger on through 7, 8 o'clock. After 8 o'clock, I think most of the heavy rain will be off to the east, and during the overnight, you're not going to see much, but I cannot rule out, as that low works its way through, a couple of isolated showers or thunderstorms. This is Tuesday morning at 9 o'clock, and then about a 30% chance of spotty showers through the first half of the day on Tuesday. And then late Tuesday into Wednesday and Thursday, we are looking good with beautiful, beautiful weather. So storms developing, possibly some severe. We need to be aware. 75 degrees Chattanooga for the high. As we see that little break developing during the early afternoon, it'll make it into the low to mid 70s, and then scattered storms move back in for your commute home. They'll linger some into the overnight. Again, after 8 o'clock, most everything will be gone, but a few may linger into the overnight. And tomorrow morning, 60 degrees for the overnight low. We'll be in the upper 50s, right around 60 degrees to start the day on Tuesday. And then Tuesday afternoon, we'll see the sun coming back out. Beautiful weather Wednesday, Thursday, highs in the mid to upper 70s. And then another front moves through, bringing some showers and thunderstorms to us on Friday morning. Friday afternoon, 79 degrees. Then cooler over the weekend. Your Saturday should be flawless, 71, partly cloudy, and then we'll have a few more rain showers moving in with a high of 72 on Sunday, guys. So again, you're probably okay until about 8 o'clock this morning, and then scattered storms through the day.